Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube Music using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Start playing any song so you can access the player screen. You will see the music controls at the bottom. On the player screen, look for the autoplay icon. It looks like a small play symbol with a loop or arrow usually near the top or bottom of the screen. Now when your song ends, the next song will won't play automatically. You can now choose exactly what you want to listen to next. If you want, you can also check in settings playback to make sure autoplay is turned off for future sessions. And that's it. Turning off autoplay on YouTube Music is simple, and now you can enjoy full control over music. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.